Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tricia. For those that are new, welcome. I'm so glad to have you. Today, I'm so excited to do a review on a coffee table that I received from Homary. So do you know about Homary? I have been looking for a coffee table for one of my clients, and she saw one that she really loved, and it was from Homary. I have never purchased from Homary. She hasn't. I didn't know anyone who did. So I thought this review would be very helpful in testing out this particular piece. So I'm happy to be able to collaborate with them. They actually sent this coffee table to us. So you know my client is like super happy, right? For us to do a review. I think this is going to be helpful for you and me to see what, whether it's a quality piece, what is the ship time, what's the process, what's the experience in it. When I'm purchasing a piece online, I like to go straight to the reviews to see what the people are saying. I'm going to give you a close-up, and so you can look at the detail and give you my thought. Let's go ahead and get into it. So the brand that I'm reviewing today is Homary. Let's take a look at their website. They have so much to offer. They have bidets, they have sinks, they have vanities, coffee tables, end tables, side tables, console tables, dining tables, wall art, lighting, you name it. Take a look. The coffee table that I received came from the 48-hour dispatch page. So this particular page has items that are currently in stock and that will ship quickly. I think that it came in like 3 or 4 days. If you need something in a short period of time, this is the page to go to. They do have other items that may take a little bit longer, but if you don't have a deadline, what's the harm in waiting? So let's look at this particular piece in question. The title of the piece is called Modern Round Lift Top Coffee Table Set with Storage and 3 Ottomans, and the color that we selected was white and walnut. They do have 2 different colors. They have white and black, and they also have white and natural. The diameter of the coffee table is 31.5 inches. Without the tabletop lifting up, it is 18.5 inches high, but if you lift up the tabletop, it is 24.5 inches high. When I received the package, I was assuming that I had to assemble the piece. I did not. It came already assembled. It was well packaged and ready to go. The only thing was it was a little heavy, so make sure you have someone else there to help you to move it to whatever location you're planning to put it in. Some of the features for this particular table, it has a marble-like veining on the top, and what it is, it's not marble, it is MDF, and it has a tempered glass on the top, and it's absolutely gorgeous. On the side of the coffee table, you see this beautiful walnut wood finish. I love the contrast in having that wood finish. It kind of ties in the room. The tabletop actually comes up and it has like storage underneath, which is really cool. I think this is very functional. You can put your laptop on top, and you can store items that you don't normally want on your coffee table, such as your remotes, some books, candles, just decor pieces, anything of that nature you could put in there. It's a pretty decent storage space. Also, it comes with 3 ottomans, and this is perfect for kids to pull out and sit on. They could read or do their homework on there. You could also use it as footstools, which I think is really nice. If you notice the side of the coffee table, look at that walnut wood finish. It is really nice. And the table legs, it is a metal metallic gold. So one thing I would like to say, it's not really anything bad that I have to say about this coffee table, which is, I'm pretty particular about my pieces, but I thought it was a very good quality piece. I love how stylish it was. The ottomans are very firm when you sit down on it. I did sit on it, and people seem to really enjoy it, and it's very functional. I really love the piece. That's just for me. One thing I will say about the tabletop, I believe it will take an adult to lift up the tabletop. You don't have to worry about your kids doing it. I had my client's daughter try to lift up the tabletop and it did not work. She could not lift it up, which is actually a good thing. You might not want your kids to be able to lift up the table. So that's not going to happen. And when you close it, it's a soft close. I hope you found this review helpful. You're actually able to see the piece up close. I confirm this is a quality piece, so I do recommend you purchasing it. If you are interested in purchasing anything on Homary, I have a discount code for you, so make sure you check that out in the description box below, along with the link to the particular coffee table. If you have any questions, just drop it in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys next time.